work on changing mixed to improper fractions. And we talk about a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is when we have a whole number and a fraction. Okay? In both these cases, we have a whole number and a fraction. An improper fraction is when we only have a fraction, say like 3, okay? And the number or the numerator is larger than the denominator. Okay, that would be considered an improper fraction. There's nothing wrong with improper fractions. In fact, they make a lot of fraction operations very simple. Okay? It can sometimes be difficult to work with mixed fractions, so we're going to work on changing them to improper fractions. Now, when changing these to improper fractions, this is essentially the addition question. There's several ways we can look at it. Since we haven't talked about adding fractions, I'm not going to talk about the addition way of doing this. I'm just going to focus on a shortcut. And the shortcut is the denominator of the fraction will be the denominator in our final answer, no matter what. Okay, so if this is 3, our denominator in our answer, so A is for answer, is going to be 3. We take that denominator and we multiply it by the whole number. So 3 by 2 is going to give us what value? That's right, 6. That 6 then needs to be added to the numerator on top. So we take this 6 and we add the number 1. And what does that give us? And that is our numerator. So we get 7 over 3. So our final answer here is 7 over 3 as an improper fraction. So that same idea, we start. Our denominator will be 9 in question 2. That means our answer's denominator is going to be 9. We take 9 and multiply it by 3. What will that give us? That's right. We then take that 27 and we need to add it to the numerator, which is 7. So 27 plus 7 gives us, what is it? That's good. So our numerator is 34. So our improper fraction in this one is 34 over 9. I just need you guys to know how to change things to improper fractions, because when we add, subtract, multiply, divide, we're going to change everything to an improper fraction first and then work on those operations.